That includes some very well-known predators. The margay's ankles have adapted to its arboreal lifestyle, and they can rotate so the cat can descend head first. The margay is an extremely agile animal, and it hunts the small insects that live in the canopy with speed and skill. Birds and large insects, now so abundant, are often on its menu. But the forest has many eyes, and it's not such an easy matter to approach your prey. Only the most determined perseverance ensures the survival of hunters. This time, it has caught a small rodent.